Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are well. Don't waste your time and let's start the video. Name of different makeup products and their uses. So number 1, foundation. Foundation used to even out the skin tone and create a smooth base for other makeup. Number 2, concealer. Concealer cover blush, make dark circle and imperfection for a flawless complexion. Number 3, face powder. Face powder set makeup, control shine and provide a matte finish. Number 4, blush. Blush adds a healthy flush of color to the cheeks for a more vibrant look. Number 5, bronzer. Bronzer gives the illusion of a sun-kissed glow and adds a dimension to the face. Number 6, highlighter. Highlighter adds a radiant glow to the high points of the face. Number 7, eyeshadow. Eyeshadow adds the color and a dimension to the highlights. Number 8, eyeliner. Eyeliner defines the eyes and enhance their shape. Number 9, mascara. Mascara lightens and volumize eyelashes. Number 10, eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencil defines and fills in eyebrows. Number 11, lipstick. Lipstick adds color to the lips. And number 12, lip gloss. Lip gloss adds shine and dimension to the lips. Number 13, setting spray. Setting spray looks in makeup, plays and lasts longer. Number 14, makeup brush and sponge. Makeup brush and sponge tool for applying and blending makeup product.